Hi, my name is Adolph Lombardi. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here in the greater Columbus community. Today I wanted to talk to you about rapid recovery protocols and what we do here at JIS Orthopedics. I'm going to talk to you mostly about hip and knee since that's what I specialize in. And I'm going to tell you that we have learned from a great deal of experience. We now have instituted the same-day surgery for hip and knee arthroplasty. Our average length of stay in the facility is 4 hours. So you arrive at the facility, you get the appropriate blocks from our anesthesia, back to the OR, and then phase 1, phase 2, post-anesthesia care, and then home. We tell you that we want you up, walking the day of surgery. We want you doing stairs, getting in and out of the car. Rapid recovery is what we believe in. There is no restrictions. And what the advantages of this are that as we have taken you out of that hospital environment, as we have put you back into your home, we have accelerated your ability to return to everyday living, and we have diminished the numerous post-operative complications because you're out of that hospital environment. So your blood clot rate is lower, your pneumonia rate is lower, your bowels are moving better because you're up and moving around. So all in all, come see us for rapid recovery and return to successful everyday living as soon as possible.